Yeah. I mean, something interesting is happening now that Florida has legalized hemp. The issue here is that illegal marijuana and hemp look the same, feel the same, they smell the same. You can smoke them both. Hemp and marijuana are both cannabis plants. Now hemp is legal. Marijuana is still illegal except for a medical card. Basically, hemp is defined as cannabis that has 0.3% or less of THC. And the new Florida law defines illegal marijuana or medical marijuana as cannabis that has 0.3% or above of THC. That's where they draw the line. Now, when I started defending criminal cases back in '93, look, if a cop smelled weed when he pulled you over for a traffic citation, that smell gave him probable cause to search every person in the car, every nook and cranny of that car, and 75% of our drug cases were coming from the odor of cannabis, and then it gave them probable cause to search everyone and everything. And the funny thing was that a lot of times they would smell weed, and they never found any weed. They found coke, they found heroin, and that's a story for another day. It was often just an excuse that we couldn't prove or not prove to search a car. Anyway, the odor of cannabis no longer gives the police a legal reason to search a car because no drug dog, no cop, no one can tell the difference between perfectly legal hemp and illegal marijuana. And there's no chemical roadside test. There's no way to tell. My point here is that law enforcement agencies, they just need to stop searching we citizens because they smell some weed. This odor is no longer proof or good probable cause that there's something illegal going on. Our court systems are still a little slow to catch up with this idea that we're talking about, but I think in the coming years, they're just going to have to stop this policy altogether. That's my hope anyway.